Hey everybody, welcome to the workshop. I wanted to give you a quick tip on driving screws. You watch Homes on Homes or other shows on TV, This Old House, those guys, they just bomb screws in. It's second nature. We drive them by the fistful. Takes almost no thought. And we get to practice quite a bit. But if you're driving screws on the weekends and you're experiencing that familiar thudda 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 when the Phillips bit cams out, I can tell you why that's going wrong. I can give you a rhyme to solve it, and I can show you how to do it right. One thing you might want to do is choose a higher quality screw. I use SPAC screws, and when we use SPAC screws, we have the uber awesome, which way am I going? T-Star Plus drive system. It's beautiful. I love it. I use it all the time. The Phillips head screws were actually designed for machining. So like building an airplane or something a long time ago, they're designed to cam out. But the thudda 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 is something else that's going on. So I'm going to give you my rhyme, and then I'm going to explain it. The rhyme is rippling with double entendre, so get your head out of the gutter. Step one. Grab it. Stab it. Make it straight. Penetrate. I know. I'm kind of proud of myself, also embarrassed at the same time. But what I mean by this is this. You grab the screw and engage it with the driver bit. Then, and I've seen people do this a million times, myself included, this connection is a hinge point. So you kind of like gingerly try to get it started and get it going, especially if you're on a dense hunk of wood fiber and you're not using a screw, the good screw. These have a serrated tip, so they really dive in. But a lower quality screw is just going to skate. I'm sure we've all experienced it. So what I do is give it a little stab. That gets a thread started for me, and now it'll follow in. The thudda 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 can happen here. Again, I'll over-exemplify this. This is the hinge point. So the make it straight part is you want screw shank, the driver, and the tool all in line, straight. That way, the screw will drive in like butter, baby. So grab it, stab it, make it straight, penetrate. That's my rhyme. That's how to drive a screw. If this video was helpful to you, and I hope it was, I hope you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch more videos, and comment, question, make observations below. I'm leaving. See you next time in the workshop.